We've been living full-time in an RV now for almost 4 years, and in that amount of time we've had multiple different water filters that we've tried. In this video we're going to tell you guys about our favorite water filter system, why we decided to go with that, and also show you how easy it is to replace the filters. When we very first got an RV, we started out with just the basic blue Camco water filters that you can get at like Walmart. We ordered ours off of Amazon. They basically did nothing. It was hardly any better than just the regular water we would be putting into our RV. And then we tried a filter called Clear2O. It looks just like the Camco one except for it's green. And it was a little bit better. We actually did some water tests on our Instagram page and it just still wasn't quite good enough for us. And then that's when we found out about ClearSource, which is what we use now. We use the ClearSource Ultra, which is a triple filter. It has 3 different stages that it filters. We also have the ClearSource Nomad. If you want us to do a video about that, let us know in the comments down below.
So I'm going to show you how to change the filters on the ClearSource Ultra today. There are 3 filters to change. We change them regularly every 3 to 6 months, depending on how often the water is used in the trailer.
These are the 3 filters that are used in the ClearSource Ultra. One is a rust filter, one is a coconut shell carbon block filter, and then one is a virus guard.
So the first thing you want to do is unhook the ClearSource filter system from your water, both sides, and then you want to drain the water out of it. And then you take the tool that you have to break the filters loose, and you just take them off, and then unscrew them. And voila, you have a dirty filter. Second dirty filter. And the third filter is the first filter, and it is probably the worst filter. When you order replacement filters, they come in a box just like this. There's going to be the 3 filters all side by side in there. So here's the new filter, and there's the old filter.
The difference is incredible.
Here's the new filter, and there's the old filter. Here's the new filter, there's the old filter. So obviously by each filter's appearance, you can see the difference between the new and the old, and exactly what the ClearSource will filter out of your water.
All of that would have been in our drinking water.
Yeah, and all of the water, normally we would just drink without any problem, but thanks to ClearSource, we're not drinking all of that nasty stuff. So to get this all put back together with the new filters, you just have the cups here basically. You put them in, line them up. There's actually a circle that's raised up down there that you put this on. That's what holds them in place. And then it's really easy to just put it on, and you just screw it back to tight. And then you'll tighten it back with the tool. You want it pretty tight to keep from having any leaks. So that gets rid of this old nasty filter. And then we've got this one. Same steps. And then the last filter. There we go. Filters are changed out, and now we'll just hook this back up to the city water, and we'll have water again in the trailer.
So with ClearSource, there's multiple options that you have. You can either get a system that mounts directly inside of the underbelly of your RV near the water connections, and you can use that. Or like our system, you can just set it on the ground. Obviously you hook one side to the city water and then the other side goes to your RV. We actually kind of use ours as both. We set it next to the RV sometimes at some RV parks. Currently we have it in a bucket in the bottom of the RV. We've not really had any issues with it leaking water, but just as an extra peace of mind, we do keep it in a bucket for just in case. Another benefit to keeping it in the underbelly of the RV, especially right now during winter, is that it can keep it from freezing. We have thermometers under there that we can gauge the temperature with. with and know if it needs to be drained and brought inside or if it's good to go. Be sure to check out our other video about tips for RVing in winter, where we talk more in depth about how to protect your water filters in the winter. If you're interested in learning more about ClearSource, you can check out the link in the description box below, and you can also use our discount code TUCKNAY25 for $25 off of any RV water filter that they have. You can also use the code TUCKNAY for $10 off of a replacement filter pack. We really enjoy how clean this makes our water. We don't have to worry about it with cooking or cleaning. Even like in the shower, all of the water's filtered, especially since we travel so much. You never know how the water quality is going to be, so this gives us great peace of mind. Be sure to watch our next video about how to replace your RV shower head if you haven't done so already. We use an oxygenic shower head and it makes a big difference for boondocking, so check that out.